Hello friends! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to register with the iFOREX broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section. Select iFOREX and click on Go to Website. You enter the website and click on Register. In the registration section, you enter your first and last name along with your email address and password. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. In this section, you also enter your mobile phone number. You confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Start Now. In the next step, you confirm the website's terms again and click on Accept and Login. You enter the login section, input your email address and password, and click on Login. You enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created. Good luck.